welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Soraya Renee, and I'm back with a new video. So I know it's been a long time since you guys haven't seen me, but make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that like button. Let's get on with this video because I don't want it to be long. As y'all can see, my eyebrows are arched, and I do my own eyebrows. I think I do pretty good for myself. I went by Walmart and I picked this up. This is the Just For Men mustache and beard, but you know it's going on my eyebrows. I got the color dark brown. I'm gonna be trying this out and see how it takes on my eyebrows. So let's get started. I'm gonna open this package up, tell y'all what's in it. It got this like booklet. It got some gloves, as y'all know. It got this little thing. It has one of these, the little brushes that go on your eyebrows. So it has the color base, and then it has the color developer. So it says squeeze color base into tray. Let me get this color base. I'm gonna put it in the tray. I got this right here, and then I'm gonna squeeze the color developer in there. So mine didn't come like with a little thingy or whatnot, so I'm just gonna mix it with this. I'm gonna put my hair back. As y'all can tell, I have nothing on my face. I'm gonna take my little eyebrow thing, and I have like a mirror over here to paint it in. I heard that this product has to be left on for at least 10 minutes because 5 minutes will not do. So I'm just gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. Because I want it to work. So I got me a Q-tip over it. So I'm gonna turn on the timer, and then I'm gonna set for 10 minutes, and then that's it. I'm gonna come back and show you guys, wipe it off and stuff. So yeah, I'll be back. Peace. So the timer just went off. So I just got my little wipe right here, and I'm just gonna wipe it off. It said wash it off with shampoo, but shampoo doesn't go in your eyes, so yeah. I thought this stuff was brown, and it's not brown. It's definitely more darker, and I definitely like it. Yeah, it did its trick, y'all. It did its trick. What y'all think about it? I think it's really good, but it depends like how long it lasts. It's just like sparse in them areas, but I can like tighten them up, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's the end of this video. I think you guys should give this a try. I would leave it on for 10 minutes so you can get the actually full effect to it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. As always, comment down below what you want to see next or whatever, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.